Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you don't end up regretting your life choices. Today, we're pitting two popular drones head-to-head, the SYMA drone and the SOTAONE S350 drone. Let's see which one will take your aerial adventures to new heights and which one might just crash and burn. Hopefully, not literally. First up, let's talk about the price. The SYMA drone will set you back $99. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 drone comes in at a more wallet-friendly $59. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, a pizza or two, SOTAONE's got you covered. Now, let's zoom in on camera quality. Both drones boast 1080p HD cameras. The SYMA drone promises clearer views with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission, while the SOTAONE S350 offers live video on the app with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Reviewers say the SYMA drone brings excellent video and picture quality, making it feel like you're shooting a Hollywood movie. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 is described as fun for getting a bird's eye view, perfect for casual use. Next, let's talk about flight features. The SYMA drone has advanced optical flow positioning, making it hover like a pro. Plus, it's got a smart app control with flight path mode. On the flip side, the SOTAONE S350 is packed with stunts, from 3D flips to high-speed rotations, and even has gesture, voice, and gravity control. Reviewers highlight the SYMA drone's stability and precision, while the SOTAONE S350 is praised for its fun and flashy tricks. Let's talk about battery life, because nobody likes a drone that knocks out mid-flight. The SYMA drone boasts up to 40 minutes with two powerful batteries. The SOTAONE S350, however, can only muster up 20 minutes. Reviewers appreciate the SYMA drone's longer battery life and the inclusion of two batteries for extended play, while the SOTAONE S350's shorter battery life is seen as a downside. Finally, let's see which drone is more user-friendly. SYMA comes with headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off and land. It's so easy, even your grandma could fly it. SOTAONE S350 is also simple to operate, especially for kids. It's got altitude hold, one key takeoff/land, and headless mode too. Plus, it's foldable. Reviewers love SYMA's ease of use and advanced features, while SOTAONE is praised for being beginner-friendly and portable. Reviewers find the SYMA drone to be great for both beginners and advanced users due to its ease of use, quality camera, and durable design. The SOTAONE S350 is praised for its affordability, fun flight features, and suitability for kids and beginners. Both drones have their strengths, making them excellent choices depending on your needs. So, there you have it. The SYMA drone takes the crown for camera quality, battery life, and user-friendliness, while the SOTAONE S350 wins on price and ties for flight features. Both are fantastic in their own ways, but which one will you choose for your next flight adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.